Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Huntington. Today we're going to walk through Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. Starting here off the transom, we have Mercury's all-new V10 350s. Really nice seating here. An ottoman, storage underneath for dock lines. Folds in while you're not using it. This boat has a retractable sunshade. Refrigerator at the wet bar, dedicated trash bin, sink, really nice seating around the cockpit here. We have a cockpit table, we have a opening canvas sunroof as well. Moving forward, a lot of storage in the floor. There's the port side hideaway. You can get out of the sun, air conditioned. Twin Simrads, Mercury joystick piloting. Moving up to the bow, plenty of seating. 2 filler cushions for both tables, or they pop up on a higher arm. Thank you. Give us a call, 631-956-4865.